നമസ്കാരം. പൈലറ്റ് ഓൺ വീൽസിന്റെ മറ്റൊരു വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്ന ഒരു കാറിന്റെ റിവ്യൂ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഒരു ബൈക്കിന്റെ റിവ്യൂ അല്ല, ഇതൊരു പ്രൊഡക്റ്റിന്റെ ഒരു ഇൻട്രൊഡക്ഷൻ ആണ്. കാരണം ഇതിപ്പോൾ നമ്മുടെ ഈ ഡീറ്റെയിലിംഗ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്, കാർ ഡീറ്റെയിലിങ്ങോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ബൈക്ക് ഡീറ്റെയിലിങ്ങോ ഭയങ്കര ഒരു എല്ലാവരുടെയും ഒരു മെയിൻ സംഭവമായി മാറിയിരിക്കുകയാണ്. കാരണം എല്ലാവർക്കും അവരവരുടെ കാറും ബൈക്കും എല്ലാം ഭയങ്കര ഷൈൻ ചെയ്ത് ഭംഗിയായിട്ട് മെയിൻറ്റെയിൻ ചെയ്തിരിക്കണം എന്ന് ആഗ്രഹമുള്ള ഒരു സമയമാണ്. സോ ഒരുപാട് പ്രൊഡക്ട്സ് തന്നെ ഉണ്ട്. ടേർട്ടിൽ വാക്സ് എന്ന് പറയുന്ന ഒരു യു എസ് പ്രൊഡക്റ്റ് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ US-ന്റെ ഒരു കമ്പനിയാണ് ടേർട്ടിൽ വാക്സ്. അത് ഡീറ്റെയിലിങ്ങിന് വേണ്ടി മാത്രമുള്ള ഒരു കമ്പനിയാണ്. അവർ ഇപ്പോൾ ഇന്ത്യയിൽ അവരുടെ പ്രസൻസ് കാണിക്കുകയാണ്. സോ അതിൻ്റെ കൺട്രി ഹെഡ്, അതുപോലെ ഡയറക്ടർ, ഇന്ത്യ ടേർട്ടിൽ വാക്സിൻ്റെ ഡയറക്ടറും ആയ സാജൻ മുരളി പുറവങ്കര എന്ന് പറയുന്ന ആളുമായിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു കോൺവെർസേഷനാണ് ഇന്ന് പൈലറ്റ് ഓൺ വീൽസിൽ കാണുന്നത്. സോ അദ്ദേഹത്തിൻ്റെ നമുക്ക് ചോദിക്കാം. ഈ കാർ ഡീറ്റെയിലിങ്ങിൽ ഒരുപാട് മിസ്കോൺസെപ്റ്റ്സ് ഉണ്ട്. ഇതിനകത്ത് ആളുകൾ ഒരുപാട് പറ്റിക്കപ്പെടുന്നുണ്ട്. എന്താണ് ചെയ്യണമെന്ന് അറിയാതെ നമ്മളെല്ലാവരും ഒരുപാട് ഡീറ്റെയിലിംഗ് ഷോപ്സിൽ പോയിട്ട് നമ്മൾ മണ്ടത്തരങ്ങളൊക്കെ കാണിക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. സോ അതിനെപ്പറ്റി എല്ലാം നമുക്ക് സംസാരിക്കാം. അതിൻ്റെ കൂടെ ടേർട്ടിൽ വാക്സ് ഇന്ത്യയിൽ എന്ന് വരുന്നു, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ എന്താണ് അവരുടെ ഫ്യൂച്ചർ പ്ലാൻസ്, വാട്ട് ആർ ദ പ്രൊഡക്ട്സ്, ഇങ്ങനെയുള്ള കാര്യങ്ങളും കൂടെ നമുക്ക് ടേർട്ടിൽ വാക്സിൻ്റെ കൺട്രി ഹെഡിനോട് സംസാരിക്കാം. സോ ടുഡേ വി ഹാവ് സാജൻ മുരളി പുറവങ്കര. പുറവങ്കര എന്നുള്ളൊരു പേര് നമുക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും ഭയങ്കര പരിചയമുള്ളൊരു പേരാണ്. ബട്ട് ഇത് ബിൽഡറുമായിട്ട് യാതൊരു ബന്ധമുള്ളൊരു കോൺവെർസേഷൻ അല്ല. ദിസ് ഈസ് കംപ്ലീറ്റ്ലി ഡിഫറെൻറ്റ്. ദിസ് ഈസ് ഓൾ അബൌട്ട് കാർസ്. ഹൗ എ കാർ ഷുഡ് ലുക്ക് ബെറ്റർ ഇസ് വാട്ട് വി ആർ ഗോയിങ് ടു ടോക്ക് അബൌട്ട്. ഹി ഈസ് ദ കൺട്രി ഹെഡ് ഓഫ് ടേർട്ടിൽ വാക്സ് ആൻഡ് ഹി ഈസ് എവറിഥിങ് ഫോർ ടേർട്ടിൽ വാക്സ് ഇൻ ഇന്ത്യ. സോ വെൽക്കം ടു അവർ ഷോ പൈലറ്റ് ഓൺ വീൽസ് സാജൻ. സാജൻ ഒരു മലയാളിയും കൂടിയാണ്. So welcome, Sajan.
Thank you, Roshan. It's a pleasure to be part of your show and hoping to have good conversation going forward.
Yes. So straight away to Turtle Wax. In India, we have a lot of these detailing products which is available in India now. And they're all doing well. It's not just one is doing well and others doing bad. Every other product in India, the detailing products are doing really well. And is that the main reason you came with this Turtle Wax, which is one of the best in US or even worldwide? Is that the reason you came to or opted for India?
Yeah, I think one of the reasons, obviously, India, from a detailing perspective, as an industry, we are way too young. You know, this whole concept of detailing in India started about 4-5 years, which is largely the professional detailing as a business. Right now, do-it-yourself car care was always there, but that was only limited to car enthusiasts and a small sector of population. But the detailing as a concept, professional detailing as a concept, is kind of picked up in the last 4-5 years, and that is why you see everybody doing well, because it's just mushrooming every other day, and it's growing in multifolds every year. So the concept is just picked in and too young in India. So one reason obviously is that we have so much in store from a detailing perspective in India. The other most compelling factor is the typical automotive headroom that India has. As you know, out of 1.23 billion population, only 3.5-4% own cars today. So you have 90-95% of the people who are still willing to, who has to own a car at some point of time. So the headroom is fairly high compared to a developed country where almost 90% people own cars. So I think detailing as a concept is great. Automotive as a sector and the opportunity it offers in India is equally great. So I think combination of both of these factors got us here.
Okay. So you said do it yourself. Okay. So if I am doing it for my own car, I am doing it. So it should be simple. And when it comes to a bigger picture, the dealers are doing it as a value-added services, and even the small stores in India or in Kerala, for that factor, it's really big. So is that what you are going to concentrate more, because the do-it-yourself is already there in the market by Turtle Wax, I think, and this bigger picture of the manufacturers or the OE approved stuff is what you're looking at basically.
Roshan, what we are looking at is, we are known to be a very consumer-friendly car care brand globally. So consumers love our brands, right? We are not, extremely strong in the professional detailing sector globally, because none of these places where we are very big detailing is not big. Detailing is a very small portion of their whole car care sector. DIY is a big thing which drives in those countries.
Yeah.
So hence, obviously, we are very strong there. So what we want to do in India, our vision in India is, one, we clearly want to be the brand leader, market leader in the DIY category. Because that is where we feel we have a lot of room to really help Indian consumers get educated about how to clean their car, and then obviously use the best products and get it cleaned every day. The second piece is, as you know, what is quite popular in India is do it for me category. That's what we call, which is the detailing, professional detailing, professional washing category, all of that. So we definitely want to be a strong presence there. And we really want to play in that sector too. But we continue to have our first goal as the most popular DIY car care brand in the country, and really building up that car care culture in India, which is, I think, is going to be a very, very interesting challenge.
So that's going to get you a lot of enemies because I think a lot of these dealers make a lot of income, because most of their incomes comes on the value added, and when people start doing for themselves, and then they will lose their income, and you are going to be a big player for that.
So I mean, this is not, I'm just not saying this not to please people, but let me tell you, in a country like India, where environmental hazards and environmental situations be bad, you have to have a combination of both DIY and DIFM.
Yeah.
Because what happens is, you can't go to detailing every week or every month. You go to once in 6 months. During these once in 6 months, when you go to detailing, you got to upkeep your car to make sure, your next detailing, you're not really, your detailing, partner and you are facing a lot of trouble. Because by then things would have gone so bad that you will have to do things all over again, a paint correction and all of that stuff. So what happens in a DIY category is, it helps you keep your car well and clean between those detailing sessions you do. In fact, a DIY DIY culture or DIY products cannot exactly replace detailing.
Right.
Detailing is a very, very professionally done work. But what we're trying to do is, we're trying to make sure that your car is clean, not just after detailing. and we're making sure that the gap you do detailing, which is once in a week, in 6 months, or once in a year, your car still looks clean. So, because just on the way back, if you're coming through a very bad road, your car can go bad.
Right.
But you can't take it again back to a detailing. You need to know how to clean the car.
Yeah.
Right? So that's exactly where we were trying to pitch and make sure that the consumers know that.
So let me just talk in Malayalam for a bit, because you're a proper Malayali. Purankara Anna. And the Sergeant, Murali, everything is the Malayali thing. So people will wonder, why am I talking in English? Okay. So as we said, ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞ പോലെ ഡു ഇറ്റ് യുവർ സെൽഫ്, നമുക്ക് തന്നെ വീട്ടിൽ കറക്റ്റായിട്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുന്നു. ആൻഡ് ഒരു ഡീറ്റെയിലിംഗ് ഷോപ്പോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഈ പറയുന്ന പോലെ വാല്യൂ ആഡഡ് സർവീസസ്, ഡീലേഴ്സ് തരുന്ന വാല്യൂ ആഡഡ് സർവീസിനും വാല്യൂ ഉണ്ട്. ബിക്കോസ് യു ഡു ഇറ്റ്, അത് മെയിൻറ്റെയിൻ ചെയ്യാനായിട്ട് ഇസ് വാട്ട് വി ഷുഡ് ഡു. അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ചുമ്മാ ഒരു കാർ വാഷ് വീട്ടിൽ ചെയ്യുന്ന പോലെ ആയിരിക്കില്ല. ഇറ്റ് വിൽ ലുക്ക് റിയലി ന്യൂ, അല്ലേ?
Actually, what happens is, നമ്മളിപ്പോ വീട്ടിൽ കാർ ക്ലീൻ ചെയ്ത്, ഫോർ എക്സാമ്പിൾ, നമ്മളെ കാറ് കുറെ ഡസ്റ്റ് പാർട്ടിക്കിൾ ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ, if you just wash it and just rinse it, you're actually doing a lot of damage to the paint. Because dust particle and you're rinsing it, you're actually scratching the paint.
The swirl mark we talk, right?
So what happens is, a lot of things you actually damage your car, but not doing the right way of washing or right way of things, which is going to eventually affect your paint and stuff like that. So where we want to get you is, we want to tell you that how do you maintain to make sure that your car is not damaged by you cleaning the car. Right? So every time we do, that's where the biggest challenge we have. The swirl marks is large. So when we go and talk to people and say, how do we do swirl marks, it's immense, because you have done these over a period of time, and the swirl marks have really come over your car. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ആക്ച്വലി പറയുന്നത്, ഫസ്റ്റ് വളരെ ബേസിക് ആയിട്ട്, how exactly to wash your car, how do you make sure your car looks clean, how do you wax it. Wax എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ കോൺസെപ്റ്റ് തന്നെ ഇന്ത്യയിൽ വളരെ ന്യൂ ആണ്. But wax can do wonder to your car, very basic wax.
Absolutely.
But somebody has to tell. I think നമുക്കൊരു education എന്ന് പറയുന്നതാണ് നമ്മുടെ first motto, and then you get it. So that's where I need to start.
Yeah.
Right? There's a large population looking for help. കുറേ എല്ലാവർക്കും ഇത് അറിയണം. But they don't know എങ്ങനെയാണ് ഇത് കാര്യങ്ങൾ ചെയ്യാൻ അറിയുക. ഇപ്പം just to give you an addendum, this pandemic is also giving us an opportunity now, because biggest challenge was people didn't have time. Now you're working from home, you have all the time.
Yeah.
So now people are looking for. So most of the queries we get on our digital channels is to understand how to use our product. They know our product. But earlier they were not buying because they were not sure and they didn't have time. Now they have time. They just want to make sure how to use. Gap we're trying to bridge.
So how are we educating? How are we giving the idea how to do about it? Because it's pandemic and people can't go out and all those things are there. Is it only the digital media you're doing it?
Largely digital. We have our toll free and all of that, but largely digital, because every product namukku oru YouTube video undu. How to YouTube video. Adonnundu. Second, if you're buying product in the paragile, we have a QR code. If you just scan the QR code, it goes directly to that video of that product. So it's pretty easy. Nammal product vaanganengil, you have to QR code click cheyidayna. You just scan it, it directly drives you to that YouTube page.
It's actually, I have a whole list of your products here. Okay? And the whole list is here. It's a lot of list. Okay, kore saanangal, even compound nokiya polum, compound list nokiya, there are different kinds of compound. Is it pala karanum, pala coloranum, ellam vera compound. I can see that. You have red, you have black, you have white. Appam idellam, is it color based aano idinte ellam? It's just curious to know.
Yeah, basically namakku product or one category of product you're talking about is called color magic. In a different colors ഉണ്ട്. Largely that is because what happens is നമ്മൾ ഇപ്പോൾ exposed to sun ആണെങ്കിൽ, കാറൊക്കെ exposed to sun ആണെങ്കിൽ, over a time ഈ color തന്നെ നമ്മൾ fade out. It is not actually the red which you bought, right? കുറച്ച് കഴിയുമ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് മനസ്സിലാവും red is getting fade. So this is the color magic red, for example, restores that color back along with waxing. It has red pigments and a wax. So it's a combination. So it kind of restores the faded color of your car. So if you have a red car, you use a color magic red, which restores and waxes. So it's basically a wax with a red pigment.
And I can use it at home.
Yeah, it's a very highly DIY product.
I have a red car and I'm going to use that right away.
It works largely for cars which are a little old. The new cars, the paint is fairly fresh. But cars which are like 6 months and above, 1 year and above, if you're most exposed to sun, you will understand that.
Minus 3 years old.
Yeah.
We will
it should work.
Do wonders, no? Okay. Anyways, back to the about the product. We all know it's a US product, and US. I have heard a lot about turtle wax, and I was wondering why it's not hitting Indian market is what I was wondering all the time. Because US tanneyulla veliya vera companies undu, and they are into every product, and one of them is the car care products. Namukku ellarkum ariyam. I'm not naming that. This is turtle wax nu parnal, basically it's for making your car look better. That is the whole turtle wax nu parnal adu thanneyana. So why came in late?
Yeah, it's better late than never. First time. More, to be very frank, what happens for all of these car care companies is, as you named, there's one company which has been there for far too long.
Yeah.
But rest of the car companies have been approaching this country more through a distributor route. They don't have their own subsidiary and stuff. They're the second large MNC which has come with a subsidiary in India.
Yeah.
Largely, I think couple of reasons. One, as I said, car care and detailing. Though India is a big market, automotive market has been growing to that extent in the last 10 years or so. But detailing car care as a concept is pretty new in India. It's about 4 or 5 years. So I think, if you ask me, I think we've entered at the right time because it's just booming.
Okay.
10 years back, things would not have been so positive as it is today from a detailing industry perspective.
Yes.
So as an industry, it is just starting to be a sunshine industry, and I think next 10 years, this will transform to another
Level.
one automotive accessories sector, which will, start growing and picking up scale. So I think the scale is just coming up. So maybe you just entered the right time.
So, as you said, the booming time, as you said, people are much more worried about how their car looks, and that is going to have a reflection on their attitude also. So that way, it is booming. And so this, you mentioned that the other, your competitors have this distribution stuff in Kerala, in India. So are you planning to give the distribution, or you have dedicated car care studios, or you are co-branding with somebody else who are the detailing chains in India?
So since we are a subsidiary in India, we're looking at different go-to-market options. And we will try, it's not that we'll restrict it to one. For example, we will have distributors. We already have about 35 distributors right from Trivandrum to Siliguri.
Okay.
Who's now carrying our products and now placing the products in the accessory stores, all of that. So you will see, if you're in Ernakulam, you will see a lot of outlets carrying those products. So we are there from a DIY perspective, from a DIY product perspective. But we also know that a retail product may not be enough to reach every consumer, because a lot of them do detailing as well. So we are now into the detailing side, where we have opened our car care studios. We have opened our 3 car care studios last month in Pune, Gurgaon and Bangalore. We're going to expand it to more cities. Cochin is coming in very soon. So we'll open our car care studios, which is kind of a co-branded concept with a local detailer who's very premium detailers who tied up. And the concept is called Turtle Wax Car Care Studio, where the consumers can actually experience right from a washing to an extreme detailing like ceramic coating and all of that stuff. So we have a combination of both. One, the retail piece, which is largely driven by distribution. The detailing piece, which is largely driven by the car care studio concept.
So is it only going to be you spoke about co-branding that maybe some brand taking your stuff and there will be a space നമുക്കുണ്ടാവും. പക്ഷേ ടേർട്ടിൽ വാക്സിന് വേണ്ടി തന്നെ ഒരു കാർ കെയർ സ്റ്റുഡിയോ ഉണ്ടാകുമോ?
So it is co-branded എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ it is technically co-branded, legally co-branded, but the outlet will be an out and out Turtle Wax.
Okay.
So it will not be a space inside an outlet. But as a concept, we are not into franchisee model. With that, we are a co-branded kind of model. But it will be fully Turtle Wax branded. It will be a out and out Turtle Wax store. So all of these stores which we have are 100% Turtle Wax store.
Okay, super. So now about the product. Brilliant products. I have not used it because India is popular, but I have my colleagues, I have my cousins who are there outside, especially in US. They are all super happy about it. So that is there. Is it the നമ്മുടെ materials എല്ലാം imported ആയിരിക്കോ, അതോ we are going to manufacture it in India itself?
No, currently we are 100% imported from the US. All of it comes from the US. The first step to doing something in India would be a repackaging, which means, US, everything is XXL.
Right.
Large.
It's all bulk. It's all bulk.
Yeah. So in India, we prefer smaller packs. So we're trying to do a kind of combination of doing some repacking in India, but we may not do a manufacturing in India now, just because we just want to make sure that our supply chain is all right and stuff, so everything is okay. And then we are good for sourcing. Maybe a couple of years later, a year later or so, we'll start testing our manufacturing there. But as of now, we're kind of importing it both from the US and the UK. We have a subsidiary in the UK as well, which takes care of the EMEA region. So we're kind of importing it from US and UK now. And eventually, a year later or so, we'll start looking at options of manufacturing.
So when it's importing, do you think the price will be a concern?
No, actually we are able to manage the price well, because one, we have a huge scale in the US, so it helps. Our unit cost is fairly competitive when it comes from the US. Second, we are a direct subsidiary, so there is not too much of overhead and other costs involved. compared to a distributor who's bringing it in.
Right.
So just like a stock transfer which happens from US to here. So which means we are able to manage our price. And in fact, if you see our prices, though it's 100% import from the US, we've kept it very competitive. Reason being, we want the consumer not to just aspire for it. We want them to use it first and then love it.
Yeah.
And then just, saying one day I'll buy it. That's not what I'm looking at.
Absolutely.
I really want people to use it, feel it, and then probably start buying it more frequently. So we've kept it very competitive.
Actually, detailing is all about touch and feel. Without using it, you will not know how your car is going to look. So basically, and mouth to mouth is what people should talk good about it. And another question is, as you said, it's importing. The temperature difference, the weather, the climatic conditions are different from what we make in US. So when it comes to India, will that change in the weather, the temperature difference, everything? അതിന് എന്തെങ്കിലും ഒരു ടെമ്പറേച്ചറും അതുപോലെ ക്ലൈമറ്റിനും എന്തെങ്കിലും വ്യത്യാസം ഉണ്ടാവുമോ? I mean, to the product.
Storage most of them are liquid, so liquid will not have an issue.
Yeah.
The problem we have probably sometimes is we have some paste, solvent emulsion based kind of product.
Right.
Sometimes if you don't really store it in room temperature, if the temperature goes up, then there is a chance of those products being. So we don't really stock those too much. It's more made to order kind of stuff. We make sure it does not really get into consumers and consumers don't face issues. But liquids has no issues. We have a shelf life. The products have shelf life of about 4 to 5 years.
Oh, okay.
So
that's
yeah,
big.
so there is no challenge.
Anyways, you have to clean your car once in a week, so it will not stay for more than.
We really don't want anybody to keep it that long.
So 4-5 years is really good. I mean, that will serve the purpose. And you spoke about ceramic. Okay, most of the your competitor itself that doesn't have a ceramic.
Yeah.
Okay, they have something called paint and shine, something of that sort, right?
Yeah,
so they don't
yeah.
have a ceramic,
Right.
and the ceramic is like really, really big, especially in Kerala for now. I don't know about outside Mart, but Kerala ceramic എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാലാണ് ഇപ്പോൾ ആൾക്കാർക്ക് ഡീറ്റെയിലിംഗ് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഇറ്റ്സ് ഓൾ സെറാമിക്. ബട്ട് പീപ്പിൾ ഫർഗെറ്റ് ദ ഫാക്ട് ദാറ്റ് ഓക്കെ ബിഫോർ സെറാമിക് നമുക്ക് കുറേ പെയിന്റ് പ്രൊട്ടക്ഷനും കോമ്പൗണ്ട്സും വാക്സിങ്ങും എല്ലാം ചെയ്യണം. സോ ദോസ് പ്രൊഡക്ട്സ് വിൽ കം ഇൻ. ഈ സെറാമിക് is it our own product or is it we are sourcing with somebody?
No, so we have ceramic is a technology, as you know. The ceramic is there.
It's a glass coating, basically.
Yeah. So we have different ceramics. So we have spray ceramic called hybrid solution, which are very do-it-yourself. So you don't need to go to a detailing to do a ceramic now.
Okay.
We have a spray ceramic which you can actually do it at home. But then we also have a 10H ceramic coating, which is basically very specifically for India we've launched. That is a proper professional ceramic coating.
Okay.
Right? It's a liquid which gets applied on the car with paint correction, as you rightly said, paint correction followed by ceramics and all of that. So we have a combination of ceramics. One is a professional ceramic coating, which is 10H specific for India. Which is the first of its kind. Normally people have 9H ceramic coating, so we have a 10H ceramic coating, which gets sold through retailers and gets applied on your car. The other one is hybrid solutions, that's what we call. Those are spray ceramic coating. So we have different spray ceramic coatings, which is more like a do-it-yourself. You can do it at home, or the detailer will apply when you go there. Detailer will apply on a car and help you, manage your car regularly. So
just
we have both.
Okay, just to know, this is for my own or like നമ്മളെ കാണുന്നവരുടെ ഒരു ഇൻഫർമേഷന് വേണ്ടിയിട്ട്, because you know it well. You said 10H and others have 9H. 9H വരെ ഞാൻ കണ്ടിട്ടുള്ളൂ. I mean, I don't know whether there's in the market or people just say that it's 10H or 9H or whatever. What is the difference? 9H ഉം 10H ഉം ഉള്ള difference, only the difference. What is it?
Pencil hardness test എന്നാണ് അതിനെ പറയുക.
Okay.
So basically 9H and 10H is all on the hardness, pencil hardness test. Basically the thickness of the coating. It's as simple as it. So 10H is better than 9H, obviously.
Obviously.
So there's an agency which kind of certifies these hardness tests. So 9H is a type of pencil hardness test. 10H is a better coating from a thickness perspective. And people get certified for a better. So basically what happens is the thicker the coating, the highly unlikely that it will kind of scrape off. So it will protect your car much more than a 9H.
ഇപ്പം ഇവിടെ
That's it.
ഒത്തിരി I will not say it's cheating going on here, okay, in the market. 10 കോട്ട് ഉണ്ട്, 10 കോഡ്സ് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ 9 കോട്ടിങ് അതിന് മുകളിൽ കൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട്, ഇതെല്ലാം ഉണ്ട് ഇപ്പം. അപ്പോൾ അത് is it the coating you're talking about, or with one applying of this ceramic coating you will get that 10H coating, അതോ ഇങ്ങനെ 3-4 പ്രാവശ്യം നമ്മൾ കോട്ട് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ വരുന്നതാണ്? What is it?
It is not the number of coating at all. It has nothing to do with number.
Yeah, so people
hardness
sell that
you
in
get-
that way, I think, right?
It is the hardness you get by applying the coat.
Huh.
When you apply a 9H, you get a 9H hardness,
Yeah.
9 hardness, H is hardness. If you're a 10H, you get 10 hardness, which means the coating would be thicker and durability is higher.
Absolutely.
It's as simple as it.
Huh.
So, but number of coat has nothing to do
Nothing
with
to
it.
do with it. So if you put
Yeah.
one coating also, 2 coating also, it makes no
It's
difference.
same.
So
It makes no
basically
difference. Because
Yeah.
what happens is you're doing what happens is when you do paint correction and then you apply a coat, or maybe another coat if your car is really old, or maybe you really want to apply it. Beyond that, you're actually not adding value because you've already added the enough coating over the clear coating which you can.
Absolutely.
The number of coating
Makes no
it's
sense.
like your paint. Yeah, if you can't, there's
That'll
no point
That'll be
and
white
it goes
only.
bad.
Whatever you do, it's going to be white only.
Yeah,
So it's
not
like
going to change, not increase your durability.
right. So that is a good thing. കാരണം ഇവിടെ എല്ലാവരും ഇപ്പം നമ്മളെ കണ്ടുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്ന ആളുകൾ പോലും വിചാരിക്കുന്നു, സെറാമിക് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ, ബിക്കോസ് ഇറ്റ് കംസ് ഫ്രം യുവർ മൗത്ത്, യു നോ ഹൗ ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് ആൻഡ് വാട്ട് ഇസ് എ ഗുഡ് തിങ് അബൌട്ട് ഇറ്റ്. അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് ഞാൻ ഈ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ചോദിച്ചത് തന്നെ, ബിക്കോസ് പീപ്പിൾ ഹാവ് ദിസ് തിങ് ഇൻ ദ ഹെഡ്, ഓ മോർ ദ കോട്ടിങ് ദ ബെറ്റർ ഇറ്റ് ഇസ്. നോ, ദ ഹാർഡ്നെസ്സിലാണ് ഇതിരിക്കുന്നത്. ആൻഡ് ടർട്ടിൽ വാക്സ് ഹാസ് എ 10H. And I think ഇപ്പോൾ 10H ഉള്ളവർ വളരെ കുറവാണെന്ന് തോന്നുന്നു ഇപ്പൊ മാർക്കറ്റിൽ.
അതെ, there are, it's not we are the only, നമ്മൾ മാത്രമല്ല, but there are far and few. കുറച്ച് പറയുന്നു.
സോ ഇതിപ്പം നമ്മൾ വി സ്പോക്ക് അബൌട്ട് കാർസ്, ഓക്കെ, കാർ കെയർ പ്രൊഡക്ട്സ് ആണ് നമ്മൾ കൂടുതലും പറഞ്ഞത്. ദർ ആർ ലോട്ട് ഓഫ് ബൈക്കേഴ്സ് ഇൻ കേരള. എനിക്ക് തോന്നുന്നത് കേരളയാണ് നല്ലൊരു ബൈക്കിന്റെ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ സ്കൂട്ടർ മാർക്കറ്റ്. സോ ആർ വി ഡൂയിങ് സംതിങ് ഫോർ ദം, ഫോർ ദ പ്ലാസ്റ്റിക്സ് ഓർ മെറ്റീരിയൽ?
Yeah, so we have നമ്മുടെ actually surprisingly നമ്മുടെ most loving consumers in India last 1-2 months, the response നമുക്ക് ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ കിട്ടുന്ന ബൈക്കേഴ്സ് ആണ്.
Okay.
Because they love their bike. I mean, sorry, cars we buy car for commuting. There's a lot of reasons why you buy a car, right? Family. അതിന്റെ കൂടെയാണ് കാർ കെയർ. ബട്ട് ബൈക്ക് അങ്ങനെയല്ല. Buy a super bike, you only buy for the love of it. So it is almost like your baby. You take care of it. Right, so which is why we are seeing lot of inquiries from consumers how to use it. So we have products which takes care of plastic and trim, called Trim Restorer. That's the largest selling product in e-commerce in Amazon. We have chrome polish. Right, we have an ice seal and shine which basically gives your bike a very fresh feel. So while we are talking, we are now contemplating we actually introduce a bike care kit. Because we are really encouraged by the enthusiasm and the passion the bikers are showing. Very interesting. I mean, we didn't think about it when we started, but now increasingly I am looking at that as one of my go-to sector.
സോ ഞാൻ ഇതുവരെ കണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നത്, ആസ് യു സെഡ്, ഓൺലി കാർ കെയർ കിറ്റ് മാത്രമേ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നുള്ളൂ. സോ ബൈക്കേഴ്സ്, ബൈക്കിനെ ഇഷ്ടപ്പെടുന്ന ആൾക്കാർ, ബൈക്ക് ഉള്ളവർ, ഐ തിങ്ക് ദാറ്റ്സ് എ ഗുഡ് ന്യൂസ്. സം ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻസ് ഇസ് ബീങ് ഗിവൻ ടു ദ ബൈക്കേഴ്സ് ഓൾസോ, അല്ലേ?
And very important because rimum idakka idakka take care and crucial ആണ്.
And it gets dirty കാരണം everything is open. കാറിൽ it's under the hood, this is like open. So ബൈക്കിനാണ് ശരിക്കും വേണ്ടത്. Yeah. So Turtle Wax, thank you Turtle Wax for bringing such a thing. കാരണം bikers will be happy and so all the very best. I think your presence ശരിക്കും ഫീൽ ചെയ്ത് തുടങ്ങി മാർക്കറ്റിൽ. ആൻഡ് ഞാൻ ആക്ച്വലി നേരിട്ട് വന്ന് കണ്ട് പ്രൊഡക്റ്റൊക്കെ കണ്ട് ശരിക്കും ചെയ്യേണ്ട ഒരു ഇൻ്റർവ്യൂ ആണ് വിത്ത് യു, ബിക്കോസ് ഐ ലവ് ഡീറ്റെയിലിംഗ് മൈ കാർ ഇറ്റ് സെൽഫ്. ഐ വാണ്ട് ടു സീ മൈ കാർ ലുക്സ് ബെറ്റർ എവറി ഡേ. ആൻഡ് ഐ എം ഷുവർ എല്ലാവർക്കും, എസ്പെഷ്യലി കേരളത്തിലെ എല്ലാവർക്കും കാറ് ഭംഗിയായിട്ടിരിക്കുക എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ വി ആർ ഓൾ ക്രേസി അബൌട്ട് ഇറ്റ്. സോ പാൻഡമിക് ആണ് ഇങ്ങനൊരു സിറ്റുവേഷൻ നമുക്ക് രണ്ടുപേർക്കും തന്നത്. സോ ഐ തിങ്ക് എനിത്തിങ് മോർ ടു ഡിസ്കസ് ഓൺ ദിസ്?
No, I think I think it's a pleasure to speak to you, and I know you've been one of those real high influencer in Kerala and the southern part of India. I've kind of followed that sometime.
you.
We are friends who follow you. So and it's nothing like connecting people who's really inclined to the similar pattern you are. You really want the automotive enthusiast to be happy.
Yeah.
They should be excited. So talking to I mean, both of us talking to each other, it's pretty much same. We're talking about our passions.
Yeah.
That's one. Second, from a detailing perspective, also, I would request you when we're in Cochin, we'll open our first studio very soon. So please come over and get your car done. And we'll be more than happy to.
I'll come first.
You come. So it's a pretty thing. And the last piece I want to talk about is I don't know whether I shared it with you before that we've now got Naren Karthikeyan part of our group now. I had an introduction last time, and we are going to partner with his racing academy called NK Racing Academy.
Yeah.
So basically helping him budding, develop the young talent.
Right.
So what I'm trying to say is we are really committed to bringing the car care culture along with growing the business. So because we really feel this country has a lot of potential when it comes to car care and culture and passion and stuff like that. So I think we'll balance both. And since we are on the same platform, I'm sure this is just first one opposed to those initial meetings.
Absolutely.
A lot of to meet together.
So hopefully, Turtle Wax, it's going to be surprising everybody by the glossiness and the shining what the cars are going to give. Okay, so all the very best. See you soon. Any എന്തെങ്കിലും doubts ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ let them ask, and I will forward it to you, and I will get the answer for that.
Anytime.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Sajan. നമുക്ക് കാണാം ഉടനെ തന്നെ. Good day. Be safe.
Yeah. And stay safe and take care.
Thank you.
Take care. All the best.
All the best.
Thank you.
Thank you.